So here we are continuing with inserting the thread backwards like in the first video. So insert in any bead you see around, and then don't do it in a straight line, do it in a zigzag form to get a firm grip of your bag or the matting. So this is it. You insert zigzag form. You see I placed it here, I change the direction and send it downwards, and then I change the direction, send it to the left till I get to the end where the thread gets finished, and I cut it off. So make sure you cut it nicely. And here we will insert the new thread in the right bead where we ended and the one beneath it. So this is it, and we'll pull it to get equal parts before we start beading. So the thread on your left, which my finger was pointing at, that's where we insert 2 beads and we cross on the first one to get the same thing we were doing. So this is it. Make sure you tighten it or you pull it firmly, and you insert your thread in the next bead for the same procedure as we were doing previously. So the matting process is just one thing. You insert, you put 2 beads and then you cross, insert the thread, put 2 beads, you cross. This for this particular matting. So I guess at this stage we are all doing well. You can still send your complaints and your difficulties, and I'll help you through. So here we'll still continue the process to get to the top. So if you look at the matting, we have reached our 5th line. So you can count from downwards and see that that's the 5th line we are on, and we are doing an 11 and 12 matting. We have the 12, which is the width already. So the 5th line, we'll be doing it till we get to the 11th line before we end, and do a same thing twice. So this is it, and we are at the end. So we will still turn it and put into the one beneath and cross. So we are done with the 5th line and we are heading to the 6th. So you insert 3 beads and you cross on the first one, and so it goes on and on and on and on. So guys, we are doing this till we get to 11. On a normal basis, I do it till I get to the 23, but for our tutorial sake, we'll be doing 11. So 2 of these mats will be needed for us to complete our bag. So I'll leave you here and explain in the next place where it's needed. So here our thread is getting finished again, and I will advise you to use a longer thread than what I am using, because I am just recording and I don't want to be pulling my arm too much in the video to be wasting time. So here I tried to insert the thread backwards when I reached the final one. So here I will just insert it anywhere I find a hole space, and this insertion is different from the first one because it did not happen in the middle. It's right at the beginning of where you are turning. So with this, how to insert the thread will be different. So when we are done inserting with this one, we will insert the thread for you to see the difference, and you see that it's the same thing, but just that it's got to a different point or direction or place. So after we are done inserting here, we will go for a new thread and insert once again and continue our same procedure we are using. So I'm done inserting. So from the look of things, we have 2, 4, 6, 7. We have done 7 lines, and we will insert another thread in only one because it is at the beginning, and insert 3 beads like this and cross. So after crossing, we continue the same way, and when you insert a new thread, pull both ends for it to be equal, or else you always be getting one thread longer than the other. Yeah, it's supposed to be equal so that you don't get confused. So we will continue same way, same procedure till we weave, till we get our 11 we want. So we are on the 8th line. So when we get to the 12th line, we will count it, the 11th line rather, we will count it together to see where we have ended. So here we are almost done. Even we are done with the matting. So we are inserting to get a full mat. So this mat is one mat we have done. We will do same mat again and join it together. So please, if you finish with this, don't be tired, okay? We have a long way to go and we will do it. So insert the next one and cut. So with this, we are doing the same matting, and I will place that in the next video for you to see, or I'll see if I can join it. Yeah, so I'm counting, which is 11, 12. So see you in the next video.